Do you only visit restaurants to eat food? खाना तो स्विगी पे भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं ना? Then why would you go through all the hassle just to eat at a restaurant? Hi, my name is Kajal Karmakar. Welcome back to my channel. On this platform, I share everything I love with the people I care for. And in today's video, we are going to talk about Instagram story highlights 101. Everything you need to know. Talking of restaurants, a certain restaurant would make you feel cozy. Another restaurant might make you feel peppy. Another restaurant might make you feel vintage. Whereas another restaurant might make you feel futuristic. Why do you think that happens? That happens because of the ambience, which is created by expert interior designers. Now, why am I talking about restaurants and interior designing when we should be talking about Instagram story highlights, right? Wrong. Instagram story highlight is exactly what interior designing does to any restaurant. Think of it like this. A new visitor visits a restaurant, and if the ambience doesn't vibe with him or her, they would leave the restaurant without even giving a chance to the best-selling dishes. Similarly, no matter how good your content is, how good your editing is, how informative your carousels are, a new visitor who doesn't know you on the face of Instagram would instantly leave your Instagram page if they don't resonate with you. Now, how to make that first move, how to make that instant connection, that's exactly what we are going to learn in this video. But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on to watch more Instagram related videos and a little bit about my life. There's a famous quote by Carl W. Buechner. They may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And that's exactly what you have to keep in mind while you're scripting, shooting and editing your story highlight. Now let's talk about the scripting part, what you should include. I would highly suggest begin with a who am I, where you introduce yourself, share your story, how your journey began, and what are you looking forward to, what kind of a person you are. This will instantly filter the kind of people who you resonate with and who you don't. If you're a small business, chances are your Instagram page only talks about your business. This is a great way to speak about the person behind that business. Tell them your name, what you do, why you started this business, and if they resonate with you, they'll definitely give you a follow. Apart from who am I, what should you include? Think of the long run. In 3 to 5 years, what do you want to become? Do you want to become an influencer? Then talk about all the brand collaborations you have done in the past. If you have done a lot of brand collaboration, maybe just one story highlight named as collab is enough, within which you can talk about each collab in 1 or 2 slides. If you have not done a lot of collabs, then maybe you can make separate collabs for separate brands that you have worked on. This will make sure that you are not only attracting your kind of people, but the people who should be watching your content. For example, if you want to be an influencer, your target audience is not influencers, but your target audience are brand managers or brand representatives who are looking for influencers to collab with. Next question you should ask is, what values do you want to stand for? For example, if you want to stand as a family person, the one who lives and breathes family, you can mention a highlight family. But if you want to represent yourself as a party animal, you can mention a highlight as evenings, outings, parties, friends, etc. Now obviously this doesn't apply to businesses, but it was just a clear example for you. This can be related to your personal brand or business, or it cannot be, but mentioning your values clearly definitely makes you stand out, and it adds on that extra pinch of salt which is missing in most of the personal brands and businesses at this point. Next question you should be asking yourself, what skills do you want to showcase? Now influencers might say that I have already mentioned about the collabs that I've done in the past. What other skills should I be talking about? Well, the journey of becoming an influencer must have curated some skills for you. It might be editing photos, editing videos, it might be voiceover, it might be acting, it might be singing, dancing, whatever skills you have and you want to showcase, just put it out there and let the world have a look at it. Last but not the least, drive your audience. You obviously have the place for link in bio, but apart from that, you should definitely leverage the link sticker that Instagram rolled out for everyone. So if you have a YouTube channel, drive your audience to your YouTube channel. If you have a Pinterest account, Facebook page, Facebook group, a blog, a website, you're selling something, your own business, just drive people somewhere else from Instagram. Chances are, even if they are not following you on Instagram, but maybe they subscribe to your YouTube channel or maybe they purchased what you are selling, it's a win-win situation. Now, I am going to share my script of what I have come up with for my Who Am I section. I am going to break it down for you, that why I have mentioned certain things and how you can use that too. So this is what my script looks like. As you can see, the first half talks about me, my values, and a little bit about my background for people to trust me. The second portion is optional, but if you want to have a callback that initially I began with this or initially I wanted to become this, the last portion has to be very tight and strategic in a way that it has to be a call to action without being a call to action. Try not to make it perfect because nobody is perfect. If you are perfect, people will never relate to you. You have to be the imperfect person who is relatable. Once you're done shooting, keep the editing very minimal, very subtle. If you want to add subtitles, you can definitely do that because a lot of times people watch their stories with their volume turned down or maybe on a silent mode. Now when we talk about cover, I would like to take you back into my computer screen. Now, one interesting question that I received in my DM, that can we rearrange our story highlights in a way that who am I appears first, and then maybe the PR or collabs, and then maybe the values I want to stand for, and then maybe the skills that I want to showcase. To that, my answer is yes, you can rearrange that. So simply go to, let's say, who am I, which is the one highlight that you want to keep in first. You go there and add your recent story to that story highlight and save it. Now it will appear on the first number. Now you can go back and uncheck that story so that it won't appear in that highlight because it doesn't belong to. Save it again and there you go. Your sequence is back to how it should be. So yeah, that's it. That's my IG highlight 101. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification on, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.